How to fix 0x0000f4 blue screen error on Windows 11 and 10 system. And such type of blue screen of error, if you are facing such type of issue, then here are the fix. And the first workaround is go to settings of your iPhone and disable third-party antivirus, install it in your system. Go to apps and here go to installed apps and look for any third-party antivirus installed in your system. There is another way to uninstall app, third-party app from your system. Simply go to run command box, right click on start button and choose run command box, and here type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, and press OK. It will open program and feature window in control panel, and here look for your third-party antivirus installed in your system. Simply select it and choose uninstall. Sometimes any third-party antivirus may create hindrance to function any Windows features and Windows related issues. So temporarily disable your third-party antivirus. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to control panel of your system and here go to power option. And here from the left side, from the right side under your plans, click on change plan settings and here click on change advanced power settings. A new window will open and here disable third of hard disk. Under hard disk, choose never for battery, on battery and plugged in. Choose never for both the feature. After resolving your issue, set this figure as per your requirement. So turn off hard disk and check whether your blue screen error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is install HP motherboard driver. Update your motherboard driver. Go to your Chrome browser or any other browser as per your preference and here type your computer description and type HP motherboard drivers and update motherboard drivers online. Go to your manufacturer site and update your motherboard driver. Hopefully your problem will resolve. That's all. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process.